One of the biggest changes we're going to see in the world over the course of the coming years is the electrification of the fleet. There's lots of exciting technology there that's going to change our lives in some really interesting and positive ways. The scaling up of the infrastructure to support the electrification of the fleet is immense. And with a huge amount of federal and local government funding to support it, there's a lot of fluidity to the market, the players in the market, how things are getting done, some degree of uncertainty, oftentimes some fairly sort of short-term tactical thinking. What we're seeing is a significant opportunity for us to bring to bear our understanding of how to take a long-term view of the installation, the management, the maintenance, the upgrading and the retrofitting of all of these assets. At the core of one of our competencies at Seam Group is the fact that we know how to manage assets in client organizations in the field to put programs in place that ensure those assets operate as intended. They operate safely, they have good uptime, they're reliable, and doing so in a manner that's cost optimal and resource optimal.